Hi Mandi. Please describe this topic. Describe something that was broken in your home and then you repaired. You should say what this item was and how it was broken, how you got it repaired, and how you felt about it.
Okay, well, now I want to speak about a thing that was broken by me almost about 6 months ago at my home. I was just changing the light bulb in my bathroom and I grabbed the valve of a geyser. So when I come down after replacing the valve was broke down by my weight, and then there was a then the water coming out very with a very high flow, and the old water would drain, and there was a drainage occur in a bathroom. So me and my brother just for the just firstly cut the water supply from the water tank, and then we just take out all the broken part of that valve from that point, and then me and my brother went to a shop to buy a new valve, and almost it take about 15 minutes to take out that broken part, and then we go to and then we fixed and we replaced that broken part with the new valve, and it must take us about 60 minutes to change that valve, because that was a very difficult task for me, because we never do that type of task before, because that was a plumbing is almost a little bit difficult task for us because never did it before. So after changing the way, we felt very happy, and it was a very enjoyable moment for both of us. That way we did a very wonderful job, because we don't let our father to know about that we broke that part. After replacing and the fixing that wall, but we got enjoyed, and then that was the thing that I repaired by myself, and the thing was broken.